I have come here, hardly knowing the reason why. In my mind I've already imagined our bodies entwining, defenseless and silent. Now I am here with you, no second thoughts, I've decided. Past the point of no return, no going back now. Our passion play has now at last begun. No more thoughts of right or wrong. One final question: how long should we two wait before we're one? When will the blood begin to race the sleeping bud first into bloom? When will the